All right. Hi, department. Thank you for being part of that tutorial. So I'm just going to make a video. This video is just going to go through the steps just to remind you how to record your screen. So those of you who are in the tutorial, you should have the Screencast-O-Matic on your desktop somewhere. So look for this symbol here, the blue circle with the dot in the middle, and you're going to click that. That's going to take you to the Screencast-O-Matic page, and then you want to click Launch Free Recorder next. All right, and that takes us to this here, which we've seen before, which is the screen, webcam, or both. Remember, this one here, this option, just records your screen. This one, webcam, just records your face. And then this, both. It does the screen with a little picture of yourself in the corner. I'm just going to do screen. And then when I'm ready to record, I click this record button. But really, before I do that, I need to make sure that my teaching resources are ready, that I've got the correct PowerPoint up on my screen, because it's literally going to record everything you see. Things to think about is that if you happen to have your emails open and it flicks onto that screen, then that's going to show the students your emails and things like that, you know, that sort of screenshot. So be careful with that sort of stuff. All right, once you're ready to record, you click this record button. Does the 3, 2, 1 countdown, and now it's recording your voice and your screen. So anything I do here, so if I go down like that, it's going to record my background here. So if I load this back up, again, this is what's recording. So if I was to be going through some teaching resources and I had them open already, then the students would be seeing exactly what I am seeing on my screen. So I would have this up open normally, and I can talk through this sort of stuff. It's going to record everything, so I can highlight things as I'm talking like this, change slides and so on, and it can all ready to go. Then when you're finished, you click the pause button down the bottom here, and this bar will come up. Now, the recording that I just made was 40 seconds long. If I'm happy with that, I can click done. If I want to start again because I made a mistake, you can click this button here, delete everything and start over. Okay, so click done, save and upload. Unless you want to edit the video, I wouldn't recommend that. It gets a bit confusing, so just save and upload. Now, this is where a couple of you came into problems where it wouldn't allow you to sort of use YouTube and things like that. But generally, I'd recommend you go upload to YouTube. It's simpler. If you do save to video, then you've got to sort out permissions and upload that to Google Drive and things like that. So upload to YouTube. And then you get to this screen. This screen's really important that you change the title of your video, because this is what's going to come up on YouTube. So the title of the video, how to make a video for students, or video recording your screen, let's say. Cool. Public, like I said, I think it's probably simpler for it to be public. If you do private and things like that, then maybe the students wouldn't be able to get access. But do public. Your face isn't on it generally, but even so, hardly anyone's going to see it. It's going to be lost in YouTube space. So then you click publish. And remember, if your video is longer, so the video I did was 40 seconds. If your video is longer, like minutes, this is going to take quite a long time. It might take up to perhaps 10 minutes if you've made a 5-minute video. Just leave it, even if it doesn't look like it's moving. The bar's moving. Just leave your computer. Don't touch it, because that can crash it. Obviously, don't click the stop publishing. Okay, cool. So now I can either just click done, but then I've got to know where my video is. What I would recommend you do is open upload, and that's a good way of just checking to see if the video is okay and things like that. So if this message pops up, it just means it needs a little bit more time to upload to YouTube. You can click the refresh button at the top here. And now it's recording your voice and your screen. So anything I do here, so if I go down like that, it's good. So that's the video uploaded to YouTube now. So it really is that simple. Your next step, of course, is you need to use that video and you need to put it into your resources. So you go to the top of the page up here, right click, and then click copy. So that link is now ready to use. If you want to go put it into your blended learning template or something like that, let's do that one, energy work, blah, blah, blah. Then I literally just go find where I want to paste it, and I just go right click, paste. Oh, where is it? Up top. Right click, paste. And then the students, whenever they click on it, it's going to take them straight to that video. So let's just check that. I click on that. That takes me straight to my video. And now it's recording your voice, and so it's ready to go. Okay, so that really is it. There shouldn't be too many more problems around access and things like that. If there are, if it's not working on your computer, the easiest way is to give me a call or an email, and we can set up a video chat and I can see your screen. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.